what I feel is unscrupulous exploitation of sand and groundwater appears to be one of the main reasons of the drought condition in Maharashtra. Of course, that is not all. Mismanagement, or in fact absence of management, water management, is the real culprit. We have constructed many projects in Maharashtra. About 3,000 dams have been completed, and a lot of water has already been stored or impounded. But we are not in a position to utilize that water in a better manner, in an efficient manner. That should be done. And one more thing is, there is absolutely no rule of law in water management. We have got Maharashtra Water Resources Development Authority or Maharashtra Water Resources Regulatory Authority in Maharashtra, but that is almost ineffectual. It is not functioning, and whenever it functions in a partition manner. That is the main reason. There is no regulatory authority in the Maharashtra. The second point is, Water Resources Department is neglecting the canal maintenance part. Maintenance and repairs part is being neglected to a large extent. And that's why there are tremendous losses. Conveyance losses are tremendous in Maharashtra. Our overall project efficiency is hardly 20 to 25%. That is, we are wasting about 75 to 80% water in conveyance itself. This is something serious, particularly on the context of drought. We have an act which for water resources, for water users association, and unfortunately those water users associations are not functioning. There are hardly 2-3 water users associations which are functioning in a proper manner, and we are lacking the participation part of it in that software.